Hi everyone, I'm Zhang Hanren. Today I'll be presenting Brain-Computer Interface Control with Artificial Intelligence Copilots. Research background. So in short, the BCI copilots can help BCI users to perform better. And this is the overall structure of the study. So in fact, for many tasks, there are only a limited number of actions one can perform. So for example, when web browsing, the user is either looking for the search bar or the button somewhere. And this restriction makes it easy to train AI to assist users with BCI control, as shown in the bottom diagram here. Now into method. So the authors develop a hybrid architecture as a EEG decoder with CNN first, decoding the raw EEG signals into a vector, and a Kalman filter to interpret the user's action. To train the decoder, the authors uses two different tasks, but the long story short is that the users were asked to use their motor intent, trying to move their left leg or right leg to control the cursor and move it to the target location, as was shown in the middle of the figure. And now, after the EEG decoder was being trained, two different copilots were used to help the BCI user. The first one is a cursor copilot, which is a LSTM deep learning network that in real time helps the user move their cursor around. And the second one is the robotic arm copilot, which is a rule-based system with computer vision. So in this robotic arm task, the user were asked to move objects to the target location. And now with the copilot, when the user comes close to their object, it automatically grabs the object, and then when the user moves to the target location, it automatically controls the robotic arm and releases the object. And now into results section of the cursor control task. So in this task, the user were asked to move their cursor to the target locations, and as shown on the top right. And now with Copilot, we see reduced distance, reduced time of trial, and increased success rate. And now, as was shown on the bottom right, we can see that the paths with Copilot, the cursor paths with Copilot are now more efficient and shorter. Similar results are also seen in the robotic arm task, where the trial time was reduced and success rate was increased. Discussion section. So in short, BCI Copilots improves BCI performances. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.